Welcome to Tech Explorer, your ultimate destination for tech insights. Today, we're unveiling Apple's newest innovation, the iPhone 17 Slim, a masterpiece that redefines minimalism and performance. With its 6.6-inch OLED display, cutting-edge A19 chip, and a design so sleek it's being called the thinnest iPhone ever, this device truly embodies Apple's philosophy of elegance and efficiency. Let's explore how the iPhone 17 Slim raises the bar for smartphones. The iPhone 17 Slim is a marvel of engineering, with an ultra-thin design that makes it one of the lightest and sleekest iPhones ever created. Crafted from aerospace-grade aluminum and ceramic glass, the phone exudes premium quality while remaining highly durable. Despite its slim profile, Apple has managed to incorporate a 4500 mAh battery and advanced hardware without compromising on performance. The matte finish on the back ensures a fingerprint-resistant surface, while the polished edges add to its luxurious look and feel. With a thickness of just 5.9 mm, it's not just a phone, it's a statement piece. Experience unparalleled visual quality with the 6.6-inch OLED display on the iPhone 17 Slim. With 1 billion colors, HDR10, and Dolby Vision support, it offers stunning clarity and contrast. The display boasts a 120 Hz ProMotion refresh rate, ensuring smooth scrolling and fluid animations. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or editing photos, the screen delivers a premium experience. With a peak brightness of 2000 nits, it's also perfect for outdoor use. Powering the iPhone 17 Slim is the A19 chip, Apple's most advanced processor yet. Built on a 3nm architecture, it delivers up to 25% faster performance while consuming less power. With 6 CPU cores and a next-gen 16-core neural engine, the A19 ensures blazing fast speeds for apps, gaming, and AI-driven tasks. Multitasking is seamless, and even the most demanding apps run flawlessly. Paired with iOS 19, you get an optimized software experience with enhanced privacy features and innovative tools. Apple keeps it simple yet powerful with a 48MP single-camera system on the iPhone 17 Slim. The 48MP main sensor delivers incredible detail, vibrant colors, and sharp contrast, even in low light. Advanced AI enhancements and computational photography features ensure every shot is picture perfect. The Smart HDR 6.0 feature intelligently balances highlights and shadows for professional-grade images. Video enthusiasts will love the 4K ProRes video recording, offering cinema-quality footage. The 12MP front-facing camera supports center stage, keeping you in focus during video calls or vlogging. Despite its ultra-thin design, the iPhone 17 Slim packs a 4500 mAh battery that lasts all day. Apple claims up to 22 hours of video playback, making it ideal for heavy users. With 30W fast charging, you can go from 0 to 50% in just 30 minutes. It also supports 15W MagSafe wireless charging, ensuring convenience and versatility for users on the go. Running on iOS 19, the iPhone 17 Slim offers a seamless and secure user experience. Live widgets allow real-time updates directly on your home screen. Focus modes have been enhanced, helping you stay productive by filtering out distractions. With enhanced Siri capabilities, controlling your device has never been easier. Apple has also introduced improved Face ID, which works faster and even at wider angles. The iPhone 17 Slim starts at $1,099, placing it in the premium flagship category. Competing with devices like the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, it stands out with its minimalist design, cutting-edge performance, and Apple's unmatched ecosystem. In conclusion, the iPhone 17 Slim is a masterpiece of design and innovation. Its ultra-thin build, a 19-chip, and vibrant OLED display make it a device that's both powerful and elegant. While it may lack the multiple cameras seen in other flagships, the 48MP single-camera system is more than capable of delivering exceptional results. If you're a fan of Apple's ecosystem and appreciate sleek, lightweight designs, the iPhone 17 Slim is the perfect choice. What are your thoughts on Apple's latest offering? Share your opinions in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Explorer for more in-depth reviews. See you in the next video.